So I woke up this particular morning, took my head wrap off, and daggone it if a braid don't fall out. Oh my God. I was like, after all that work I did and the braids are coming out. So I decided to take all of the crochet braids out the back of my hair and re-secure my foundation braid. As y'all saw in the previous video, I was struggling with how to properly secure my hair once it was braided. Because of the length of my hair and it has a little weight to it, I didn't know what to do with it. So I decided to braid all of the tails of my braid into one big dookie braid and then interweave that one tail into my existing braids. But it wasn't secure enough apparently. So that one crochet braid slipped out and I felt the rest of them. They didn't feel secure. So I just decided to take them all out and re-braid that foundation braid and then re-crochet those crochet braids back into my hair. Lord help me.
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys in the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. Why you calling me honey? Why you show off your money? Wave it like it's a tissue. Baby, this is your issue. I'm not falling for bullshit. If you like me, then say it. You don't get that I see through this facade that surrounds you. Growing up takes time, so don't you waste mine. You and me ain't right. I'm wearing gold. You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young no